Yes, I saw it literally. And I saw how SB19 cared for the people around them.
Nakatrabaho ng SB19 sa Philippine Arena simula at wakas concert, may ikinuwento. SB19 made a huge impact in the Philippine music industry after selling out the 55,000-seat Philippine Arena in less than 7 hours and then having day 2, which was a sold-out as well. And on May 31, 2026 marks the first anniversary of this historic concert. And with this, isa sa mga nakatrabaho ng SB19 sa Philippine Arena shared this.
Kwentong SB19 muna tayo dahil ngayon ay ang first year anniversary ng simula at wakas kick-off concert noong 2025 sa Philippine Arena. At syempre, it also marks my first year anniversary working with SB19. During the concert sa Philippine Arena last year, I was part of a very heartwarming moment kung saan nag-drawing si Ken para sa isang 18. Yup, na-witness ko yon dahil ako yung nag-abot ng paper kay Ken at pabalik sa isang 18. At kahit medyo nahuhuli na siya at na-miss niya ata yung part niya doon sa kanta, tuloy pa rin si Ken. At alam niyo yung best part nun? It's the message. Yung message na binigay ni Ken, you are loved. Kaya memorable sa akin yung moment na yun dahil first time ko ma-experience first-hand yung ganong moment, no? Yung very sincere, very authentic. Sabi nga nila, di ba? I saw it. Yes, I saw it literally. And I saw how SB19 cared for the people around them. From 18 to production, from everyone around them. I saw it. And it also shows sa actions nila. Kaya ang key takeaway ko today, you are loved.